Hey students, welcome to another Learning Byte video. Today we are going to learn about lasers, its history, characteristics, and applications. The basis of laser, called stimulated emission, was given by Sir Albert Einstein way back in 1917. It took almost 3 decades to materialize that idea. It was MASER, microwave amplification by stimulated emission of radiation, can be known as first application of Einstein's idea developed by Charles Townes in 1952. In 1955, Russian scientists Basov and Prokhorov developed the first oscillator to amplify microwave frequency. These three were awarded with Nobel Prize for their contribution. Then the research works kept going related to lasers, like Nicholas Bloombergen worked on nonlinear optics in 1956. In 1958, Townes and Shallow, through a research paper, communicated the idea of masers can be operated in optical frequencies as well. In 1959, Gordon Gould coined the term for optical maser as laser. And in 1960, bingo! First laser took its form of a solid-state ruby laser by Theodore Mainemann. Then in consecutive years, different lasers were invented in different parts of the world. Like Ali Jawan and co-workers developed helium neon gas laser in 1960. Peter Sorokin and Marek Stevenson demonstrated uranium laser. Elias Snitzer gave neodymium glass laser. Simultaneously, scientists from different fields started using lasers for different applications. Dr. Charles J. Campbell and co-worker used ruby laser to destroy retinal tumor. Fred J. McClung created Q switching technique, used for welding springs for watches. Nick Holonyak Jr. invented gallium arsenide phosphorus, a diode laser used in CD, DVD and cell phone. Bell Lab developed ultra-fast yttrium aluminium garnet YAG laser. Logan Hargrove and co-workers demonstrated mode lock technique used in laser communication. Herbert and others developed semiconductor laser, which was again a Nobel Prize-winning invention. William Bridges developed pulsed argon ion laser, which give UV wavelengths. Kumar Patel from India developed powerful CO2 laser, used in industrial applications. This all happened from 1960 to 1964 only. Let us now move towards the properties of lasers, which make it different from ordinary light. Laser light is highly monochromatic, means it is having very small wavelength spread, or line width as seen from the graph, or wavelength versus intensity. Normal light has wide spectrum of wavelengths on either sides, while laser has very narrow. Next, laser is highly coherent. Coherence is the property when all the photons emitted have same phase relationship. Normal light radiates different photons in all different directions. Laser has identical photons emitted in same direction. Laser light is highly intense, much powerful than ordinary light. Laser light is highly collimated or directional. Unlike ordinary light, which is having wide beam spread, laser has very less beam divergence. And last, laser is also tunable. Like radio or microwaves, laser can also be used as a carrier wave for information broadcasting. These characteristics make laser different than ordinary light. Let's now discuss the applications of laser. Laser has a wide range of applications in varied fields. Let's discuss them one by one. Laser in military or defense. Laser used in scanning or ranging the area called LiDAR technology. In laser-guided missiles, also a secure communication techniques called optical fiber communication makes use of laser. Uses of laser in research or scientific area. Lasers are used in spectroscopy to image the crystal structure better than light. In nuclear fusion to supply necessary temperature. In astronomy to estimate the distances between the celestial objects. In geology and seismology to study the Earth's crust and seismic waves. In microscopy to have a better contrast of the image. Commercial applications. Lasers are used in remote sensing devices. Barcode scanners, for the creation of holograms. Also most commonly found in laser printers, pointers and laser shows used in concerts, or decorative purposes like optical fibers. In industrial applications, lasers are the powerful tools used for cutting, drilling, welding etc. jobs. Mostly spacecraft or ship manufacturing industries use lasers for precise cutting. Also diamonds are shaped by lasers. Last, laser found many important applications in medical field. Removal of permanent tattoos or unwanted tissues, or hair removal is done by lasers. Various eye surgeries like cataract treatment or permanent fixation of lenses done with lasers. Lasers are also used in endoscopy and laparoscopy as well. So students, laser is a remarkable invention in history of mankind. It stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. What are these words? Let's see in next video. Ciao.